Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Raf. Now, if you follow the channel, you'll probably be aware that we've converted a camper van. We did a full video showing you around what we've done, what it looks like inside, and a full tour. If you haven't seen that video, then please watch it. We'll link it up above. Now, obviously, we're a Caraudio and security specialist. That's what we do. So once the van was done, the idea was always to put a really nice audio system in this van, because obviously me and the wife have used the van a couple of times now, and everything's worked flawlessly. We've had a fantastic time using the van. But obviously, when you're on long journeys, it's nice to have your music playing, sounding really nice. I wasn't going to do it all straight away, but we went away a couple of times and it sounds really poor. So we've decided to upgrade the audio. Now, I've decided on what I'm going to be fitting, and I just want to do a quick video showing you the speakers I'm going to be installing in the front of this van. We have fitted these speakers before. It's the Audison Thesis. Now, there was 2 or 3 manufacturers who wanted us to use their equipment in this van. I sat and had meetings with all of them. We discussed different things, what they would sound like. I listened to demo cars. Obviously, we've installed a lot of equipment ourselves, and in the end, I have decided to go with the Audison Thesis line of speakers. I just want to quickly show you what I'm going to be fitting. This is a really high-end premium speaker system. We've installed a few sets, but my thought process was, we get a lot of people who ask about the Thesis, and we haven't actually got a set in a car down here. So if we install them in the van's generally here every day, then customers can come down and listen to what a real high-end premium sound system sounds like. Now, I understand these aren't going to be to everybody's budget. They're quite high-end speakers, but the idea is you can listen to what a really high-end system set up properly sounds like, and then obviously we can fine-tune or design a system for your needs. So we're going to go 3-way in the front. So 3-way basically means we're going to have a separate mid-bass speaker in the door, and then we're going to actually rebuild the A-pillars. So we're going to do an A-pillar build. Again, this is something we haven't got here at the moment. So we're going to have a mid-range, a 3-inch mid-range, and the 1.5-inch Audison Thesis tweeter in the A-pillar. When it's all done, obviously, please subscribe, because we'll do videos showing regular updates. The idea is when it's all done, it'll look completely stock, look completely factory, but with the speakers mounted in the optimum positions, plenty of sound deadening. It should sound amazing. I mean, the Audison Thesis, apparently it's like listening to an orchestra. We actually had a demo from in the Audison demo car recently, and it's an old Porsche. It's only got the 2-way system, and it sounded amazing. It sounded really, really nice. So we'll start off with the mid-bass speakers, which are going in the doors. That's the 6.5-inch Audison Thesis sax woofers. Haven't opened these yet, so we're going to open them together, just show you what they actually look like. So let's unbox this and show you exactly what we get. So we'll do the 6.5-inch, we'll then do the mid-range, and we'll then do the tweeter. Right, I'm not sure what you can see on the camera, but here goes. So you get your owner's manual. Right, so obviously premium speaker comes in a premium box, so you don't just get them in a cardboard box. Get them in a really nice package display. Sort of reminds me of high-end cigars. So what we got? So you get your grills, really nice grills. They also do an optional grill which covers the whole speaker. So these are nice grills, full metal as well. So look really good. I might get the full grill which covers the whole speaker down the line. I'm not sure. I'll see what they look like. Might get the grills because it'll protect the speakers better, and then I can probably put these on for shows. So you get your grill. And oh wow, so that's the speaker that you get, 6.5-inch. I'm not going to go into all the specs of the speakers, because you can go on the internet on Audison's website and see it all, but what a fantastic speaker. These sound amazing, really well built. Obviously, if I have them on show in the doors, they should look really good. I'm not sure how I'm going to do it at the moment. They can vent from the back as well, so get rid of the heat. So really good connectors up there. So that's the 6.5-inch. I'm going to have a pair of those going in each door. Plenty of sound deadening. Probably going to do a bit of a build to show them off properly. So that's that. So guys, that was a 6.5-inch mid-bass speaker, which is going in the door. Quickly show you what the mid-range and the tweeter are going to look like. So these are going to go in A-pillar builds on the A-pillar on axis, sort of pointing towards the driver. Probably to the center of the van, I'm not sure. I'm going to see how it looks aesthetically. So this is the 3-inch mid-range. Come in once again, nice box. These are stunning. So once again, you get the matching grille, metal, so good quality, looks really good. Again, I'm not sure, I might get the cover, the grille that covers the whole speaker, but they look, wow, they actually look brilliant, they look really nice. So that's the 3-inch mid-range, so that's going to go in each of the A-pillar on axes in a nice build, so it should look really cool. So yeah, 3-inch mid-range, beautiful looking speaker, nice grille on top. That's what it looks like with the grille. Once again, I'm not going to go into the specs, it's all on the website, you can have a look. So we'll put that down there and quickly show you the tweeter. I mean, the boxes are probably a keeper. I mean, they are really heavy. That is actually a lot heavier than people would think. But these are 1.5-inch tweeters. And I mean, I think looks-wise, they're probably one of the best looking tweeters out there. So I mean, check that out, it's beautiful. So you imagine that and the 3-inch mid-range in the A-pillar. Yeah, I think that'll look really special together. That's the tweeter. Once again, no specs. It's going to get boring, it's all on the website. This is just an unboxing. So yeah, all in all, these are premium speakers. They're very high end. The idea is to get the van sounding almost like a concert. The amps I'm going to be using, I will update you on them, do a future video. There's also going to be a subwoofer. I'm just measuring up under the seat, probably an 8-inch, possibly a 10-inch subwoofer. Some DSP amplification, obviously lots of tuning, fine tuning to get it sound amazing. And the idea is the sound stage in this van, it should just sound absolutely beautiful. And again, the van is being done for myself. When I'm on long journeys, I can listen to it. You know, audio is quite important to me. But the main reason is it's here for you guys. I'm happy for people to book a consultation, come down when it's ready, have a listen to the van. Speak to us, tell us your requirements, your budget, what sort of music you listen to. And you know, we always fine tune and design systems for your exact needs. So guys, this was just a quick video. Hopefully you like these. You know, there's gonna be a lot of people telling me how other speakers are better. I know, you know, we fit quite a bit down here, but this is what I've chosen. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be happy with it. Hopefully when you guys come down and listen, you will too. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.